This is a 2008 Hawk, 2-horse straight load gooseneck with a side ramp. No dressing room. There is space in the nose and space in front of the horses. There is no dressing room on this trailer. 2008 Hawk, 2-horse straight load gooseneck. Tons of airflow. You've got sliding windows in the nose and sliding windows along the side of the nose as well. Escape door on the street side. It is a manual jack. Trailer has 4 new tires. The spare tire is in excellent condition. So we replaced the 4 tires on the ground as they were aged. Again, full-size escape door with a sliding window, sliding hip windows, rear ramp with top curtains and sliding windows, and 2 pop-up roof vents. This trailer is extremely well ventilated and super cool with the fiberglass roof. Got a RUMBER floor, a step to get into the nose. Again, you've got storage space in the nose, bridle hooks, no saddle racks, because there is no dressing room in this trailer. Side ramp. That is a 60-inch wide side ramp, so you've got lots of space to get something in or out of there. 2-horse straight load. Again, those pop-up roof vents. This trailer is so well maintained. A lot of times in a trailer of this age with this style roof, you'll see a lot of mold marks or just condensation marks in that roof. This trailer's been detailed every year and it is super, super clean and very well cared for. If memory serves me, it is 6'6" wide and 7'6" tall. I took the measurements last week when it got here, but they are on our website at trailercountryllc.com. If you want to double check that. We've got running boards that acts as a step into that escape door. This is just surface rust. We see this on this style of trailer where the horses have run their teeth across it. That's pretty typical there. It's just a surface rust. The paint on this trailer overall is in really great shape. A lot of times on trailers of this age, if you run your hand across them, you'll end up with the white paint on your hand. This paint is still slick to the touch. It's not what we call dead paint. It's in really good shape. The owner has had this trailer waxed every year. Again, we've got a rear ramp with top curtains. Those top curtains tie back, or you can slide those windows open. We've got a load light here over the rear ramp as well as the side ramp. Again, we've got a RUMBER floor here. Pads do show some signs of wear and tear. That is easily replaceable through Hawk. We can help with that if a buyer would like. Again, we do show some wear and tear there. Really, that's just cracking and dry rotting from age. Not really any issues, just happens. Nice and roomy trailer. It'll fit anybody. Even if you feel like you've got an extra long horse, they've got tons of headroom there in front of them. Little to no damage shown on the trailer. You know, some tiny things like these little fender marks. You can see where the paint's wearing just a little bit here. It is a 2008, so it's got a little bit of age on it, but it has been incredibly well cared for. I was really pleasantly surprised when it arrived here in such fantastic condition. The trailer's listed for $15,000 at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. You can see all the specs on our website at trailercountryllc.com.